Partner Chris, may paalala ka na ba dyan?
Ayan, paalaala ngayong gabi, mga kapartner. So, ang ating deadline po, December 20, Saturday. Ito yung e-filing and e-payment ng ating BIR form 1600 remittance return the percentage tax on winnings and prizes withheld by racetrack operators. For EFPS and non-EFPS filers for the month of November 2025. Next, December 25, Thursday, Paskong Pasko, may deadline tayo. Submission po ng ating quarterly summary list of sales and purchases on importation by ABAT registered taxpayers or non-EFPS filers, fiscal quarter ending November 30, 2025. Kasunod din yan is sworn statement of manufacturers or importers on volume of sales of each particular brand of alcohol products, tobacco products, and sweetened beverages products. So, fiscal quarter ending November 30, 2025. Next, December 30, 2025, ito po ay Tuesday, holiday din. Submission ng proof of filed BIR form 1702 para po sa mga regular tax, exempt, mixed income tax with audited financial statements 1709 if applicable, and other attachment through electronic audited financial statements or manually for fiscal year ending August 31, 2025. Next dyan is soft copies of inventory list and schedules of stored and saved and DVD or properly labeled together with notarized sworn declaration for fiscal year ending November 30, 2025.